In order to make good, consistent money online, you need to master just two things: traffic and sales. Master these two things and you are a millionaire. Hey, my name is John Armstrong and I've been doing digital marketing since 2018. And I've mastered these two things, and in the process it's made me over $6 million since I started. Now, let's have a closer look at these two elements, starting with sales or products. Now, there's two types of products. We have low ticket and we have high ticket. Low ticket, cheap products are easy to sell, but they're not going to make you rich. High ticket products, on the other hand, can make you a millionaire, but they are way harder to sell because of the price point, meaning that you need to have a lot more experience. And then we have traffic, which can also be broken down into two forms: free and paid. Free traffic generally doesn't work. It's random, untargeted, and inconsistent, and it takes months to build up. Paid traffic can get you instant results. It's fast, laser targeted, and awesome. But it's super expensive. And if you don't know exactly what you're doing, you can lose a metric ton of money. Now, having personally mastered this stuff myself, I can tell you that it is a solid learning curve with a lot of wasted money and frustration in the process. Now, let's face it, you're not here to learn or to spend 3 years mastering something. You're here because you want the results without the struggle, without the frustration and the wasted money. You need a fast solution without the steep learning curve, and that's why we created Tweetx. Now, Tweetx is a cloud-based software, meaning that there's nothing to download and there's nothing to install, and it tackles the $2 million elements for you. Let me show you. Now, without spending a penny of your own money, Tweetx will get you the same quality and volume as that awesome laser-targeted paid traffic, but without the price tag. Now, this is what we like to call hybrid traffic. And let me show you how this works. It works by punching in a keyword into the Tweetx app, for example, money. And then it will start contacting pre-qualified potential customers on Autopilot on your behalf without you needing to do anything. Just spend 2 to 3 minutes setting up the targeting in your account. Now, here's the genius part. We've pre-selected a high converting, high ticket offer for you to use that comes preloaded with your own personal pages, like this one right here. Now, we've also arranged with the product creator so that you can get your affiliate link approved instantly, so there's no waiting around. Yes, we've done this for you. Now, the best part about this is that you don't need to do any kind of work either, because your link goes automatically to a high converting webinar where a professional marketer will sell them into a high ticket offer that spits out $850 commissions each and every time. So it's actually a very simple 3-step process. Step number 1, you need to go and get your pre-approved high ticket affiliate link, which is going to look something like this. You take that over to the Tweetx software and load it up, and then set your targeting and hit the start button. And what Tweetx will do is it will start the flood of free hybrid targeted traffic, finding you pre-qualified buyers and sending your link to them. So when they get on your link and open it up, it will send them through to an auto webinar where a professional marketer is doing all of the selling for you because they know how to sell these high ticket items. And in the end, it spits out $850 commissions into your account, making you money within 12 to 24 hours. Making money online has never been easier, as all the heavy lifting has been done for you. Just as Surab found out here when he made $947 in his first 24 hours. You can watch the case study further down on this page. Now, there is one piece of bad news, and that is that after this 5-day launch on Sunday, the price will go up to $97. So strike while the iron is red hot and grab this deal for a fraction of the price during this launch. With the Tweetx software, the whole professional process is completely automated, from the traffic right through to the offers, through to the money landing in your account, just like a turnkey business in a box. So for this reason, you don't need any experience. You don't need any kind of technical knowledge whatsoever. Heck, you don't even need to be able to speak English properly. And with your whole business on autopilot like this, you can get on with the more important things in life, like enjoying yourself.